Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts and welcome. So today I want to show you guys how I do a cute little hairstyle, like a little kind of fuzzy little curly hairstyle on my, these are my 6-inch mini junk journal dolls, and I do have a pattern if you guys want to come make this. So it's in my Etsy shop, and I'll put the link down below for her to make these little 6-inch grungy dolls. And it's no written instructions, very reasonable price because I just do it on my videos. So I do have a link in my Etsy shop that you can come and copy and paste, and it shows you a detailed how I make these little cute little dolls. So you just got to click on that, copy and paste it, and then yeah, and you're ready to go. So you can make her. And then today I want to show you a fun little hairdo. So what I have here is just Lion brand yarn, and you can use cotton yarn, you can use the Red Heart yarn, any kind of thing like that. And I'll just show you what I do with this, and you can pretty much do that with all different kinds of yarns. Okay, it's just gonna have kind of a different style to it with each texture. But let's get started here. So what I have is my Fabrifix glue. I just have a needle threaded with just some 2 strands of the embroidery floss, but you can use anything you have, thread, anything. Scissors, a cute little, I had some fabric that matched her little leggings, and I just cut off a little strip of it. I'll show you what we're gonna do with that. So that's pretty much all you need. Okay, so I'm just gonna take and I'm gonna cut off some strips here. And with the Lion brand yarn, it has these little threads that I just take off. Okay, and then we're just gonna take him and just kind of, so any kind of yarn, you just take it and pull it apart, make it all fluffy. And just keep doing this until you get as much as you need. And I'm gonna keep the little black in there because it kind of looks like streaks in the hair. I think it looks cute. Okay, so just for now, we'll just do this much. I'm probably gonna need some more. So I got my glue. I'm just gonna start gluing here. So just wherever you're gonna wanna put the hair. And I'm just gonna kind of squish it up. And this is just the easiest way to make hair, and it just looks so cute. And then just add glue as it's needed. I'll make sure to put a playlist up in the corner of I have so many different patterns and dolls that I've made, and I'll just make sure to put those videos throughout and you guys can see and come check them out. And I have different, come to my Etsy shop. I have tons of patterns that you can purchase and then follow along with my videos that are linked in there. Super fun. I've been having a real fun time doing this. And I really, really appreciate your guys' comments and support. It's just so much fun. I'm so glad that you guys are enjoying following along with me. Okay. So just keep cutting it as much as you want. So just pull it apart. And then just go through. See where you want it. I think the crazier the hairstyle, the cuter the doll, because it's just super fun. Like, I am not about perfection. If you've watched any of my videos, I am not about perfection. I'm seriously just about feeling it and just kind of going with the art. Like how, you know, however it's going to be, Wi-Fi'd it, you know. Then you just give yourself a headache. And I think everything just turns out so fun, you know. I mean, of course, you can tweak things and kind of move things around and play with it and see how you want to do it. But generally, I just kind of go with the flow. See, now I'm not really liking the dark right there, so you can kind of bring it up or just take it out altogether. So just kind of work with what you want to do and, you know, see how you want to do it. I'm just going to take these out. I'm not really liking the look of that. It's just so much fun just to kind of experiment and see where it takes you, you know. So I think I'll cut another little strip here. Just to have on the side. Just give it a press. And she's kind of got some bald spots, so you can go through. And just kind of touch on where you want it. But it's just super simple. A little dab of glue will do ya. Okay. And if you notice that you have maybe a little bit of glue that you don't like the look of, you can always cover that up. Just take a little bit here, like this, and then just kind of go like that. Do a little cover up here. So I want to show you guys that, because there's many a times, you know, you're like, oh man, the glue seeped through, or I don't really like the look of that. And you can just cover it up, just like that. go. I think she turned out super cute. And then I can just touch it up here. Make sure it's not going to come undone. I love this Lion brand yarn. I think I have it in my Etsy link down below, plus the Fiberfix glue and stuff. So, but this has a really soft feeling. It's got tons of different colors. So you just click on the link and it'll take you to Amazon, and then you can choose different colors that you want. I mean, I got all kinds of colors. I got like the purple and this pretty red, like an auburn color. And there's like a black, and I mean, there's just different colors you can get. Okay. So there we go. I think she turned out really cute. So this is just a fun little easy short haircut, or hairdo, I mean, that you could do. Or you could, you know, you could give her a haircut too. If you're not liking some of it, you can just go around and, you know, make it shorter or do it however you want. But this is going to be her little bow on top. So I'm just going to take it and then just kind of pinch it together like that. And then you could take your needle and thread. Oh, also another thing you can do, let me go grab that real quick. I have some little buttons here. I think it'd be kind of fun to do it, to add a button to the top here. I mean, that one would be fun. We got little apples. I also have tons of button links in my Amazon links. All the buttons I use on any video, just go down there and check and click on any of those and it'll take you right to it. We also have a butterfly. A little butterfly would be cute. Let's see. We got a butterfly or a flower. Kind of thinking that would match better, but the butterfly is cute, so let's just do this. We'll do the little flower. So I'm just gonna pop this through like this. And like that. And then just sew it together. Gonna tie it off. Okay. And then we can just glue it where we want it. And glue it right there. So any kind of scrap fabric that you have, or, you know, anything that you use for the leggings or the dress, you could do a little matching bow on top here. I think that turned out really cute. So there we go. So we got our cute little hairdo, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This she will be for sale in my Etsy shop. I'll make sure to put the link down below for you guys if you want to come purchase her. And I really appreciate you guys watching. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.